welcome. Today I am with Amazon Fire TV Stick and I'll show you how you can connect AirPods to this device. So at the first we have to go for the settings. Next, when we are here, select controllers and Bluetooth devices and pick other Bluetooth devices at the bottom. Click to add new device. Grab your AirPods case, open it, then rotate and click and hold this back button until this indicator inside starts blinking on white. So let's make it right now. Right now we can release and just take a look on the available devices list. After a few seconds they will pop here, so just be patient. So just pick the AirPods, and as you can see, right now we are successfully connected. So yeah, that's how it looks, and if you find this video helpful, remember to leave a like, comment and subscribe.